Welcome to BioIcon Academy, where theory and knowledge come to life. Now, get ready for a comprehensive one-week hands-on journey in diagnostic biochemistry and immunology, with 3 days of theory and 2 days of hands-on lab sessions that will elevate your skills to new heights. During the theory session, we'll go through the organization of clinical laboratories, sample collection procedures, and the basics of pre-analytic, analytic, and post-analytical tests. Plus, we'll explore the principles of biochemistry and immunology laboratory methods. We'll dive into quality control, calibration, and troubleshooting in diagnostic laboratories, and help you master the art of result interpretation and reporting of biochemical tests, and a deep dive into ISO 15189 basic concepts. Safety is paramount. So, we'll guide you through laboratory biosafety protocols and waste disposal. But that's not all. We have an exciting lab schedule lined up for the next 2 days. The hands-on session begins with the organization of clinical laboratories, safety protocols, sample collection procedures, and separation techniques using centrifugation and sedimentation principles. From ABO blood grouping to liver and kidney function tests, we'll cover it all. Explore immunodiagnostics, rapid serological assays, pathogen detection, hormone diagnosis, and advanced techniques like ELISA. All of these with an affordable fee of 6,000 takas, and there is waiver option. See you in lab.